Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Mallards Restaurant and Lounge. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I know one of you guys had spoke to Jen Kling. She's my sales rep. We are a huge fan of your guys' new Richmond location. We frequent there often. You guys got phenomenal food and even better atmosphere. But what we wanted to do is reach out to you on some more information on how you guys can start to market a little bit better and start increasing those profits and that traffic coming into your guys' locations. I know you guys are expanding like crazy, but why not keep going with all of it? So, with that being said, a few things we're going to do is we're going to jump in and analyze some stuff on your website, as well as your Facebook, Instagram, some analytics, as well as a Google My Business portion of this research. So, with that being said, we're going to jump in, figure out what you're missing, and we'll address it all. So, first things first, you guys have a phenomenal website, just mouth-watering food all across the website. Your guys' photographer has done an awesome job at that. So I really have nothing too bad to say about your guys' website at all. I think it's doing great. I know you guys have all of your locations. Yeah, I believe this new one is coming to Shakopee. Phenomenal. Good for you guys. Or even a new one. I could be wrong. I'm not too caught up with you guys at this moment, but awesome regardless. Either way. So with that being said, the website looks good. I'll review a little bit more of the analytics in a second, but I want to go over your guys' social media. One thing I did know on your social media is that you guys actually don't have a ton of reactions on your guys' page. And for every one reaction that you guys have, you could potentially increase your profits by 12%. You know, every one reaction has a 12% chance of that becoming a customer. So on average, I think you guys are right around 54 to 60, somewhere in there. You had a few posts that were a little bit less. So we definitely want to get your guys' reactions up on your social media. Grab a bigger following. I know you guys have 12,000 people following, but that number could increase without a doubt. Just offer some promotions on there. Vice versa, there's all kinds of things that we can do on your guys' social media at this time to really get that taken off. Another thing I see too, you guys posted on May 7th. This is your last post on Facebook. That was 10 days ago. We would like to know what is happening at Mallards Restaurant today. We want to know if you guys are offering a food special today. People that want to go out for dinner tonight want to know if you guys have anything. If they find you online, they find your Facebook, they want to know what's going on. As far as this could concern anybody, you guys haven't been in business since last Saturday. You know, people just don't know. Everybody is all about instant gratification online. They want to be on top of it all of the time. So being aware of all of that is key. Same thing with your guys' Instagram. I see all of the same posts are happening the same day. Except this one. This one's new. I didn't see on your guys' face on your Facebook page. Yeah, it's no, it's right here. My bad. But in regards, same thing. Posting more on this every single day. We need to get those reactions up. One way we can increase the reactions on your guys' social media accounts is doing hashtag research. We can go to this one right here. We can figure out what you guys have. Hashtag Nashville Hot. We can actually figure out each and every one of these hashtags and see kind of what kind of search volume is getting on that. We want to narrow it down locally, right? Because hashtag Nashville Hot might be popping up in Tennessee somewhere. And you guys aren't based in Tennessee, so that could be an issue. Nothing wrong with having those hashtags, but doing the correct ones is huge for you. So with that being said, that's the social media. I apologize if I'm talking a little too fast. I want to jam all this into 5-6 minutes. Make sure you guys can get all the great information as fast as possible. I'd be happy to sit down more. But in regards to your guys' website, what we do is we actually take your URL and we put it into this tool here. We like to use this. It's called Ahrefs. It gives us a kind of generalized guideline where you guys sit with your SEO right now, your search engine optimization. So currently, you can see all the backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, but the one I really like to focus on is right here, organic traffic. You guys are generating roughly 4,000 organic traffic right now to your website alone, based off of all of this information that you have. And I want to show you the potential of where it can go. So we'll compare that to your competition. But first, we're going to go over the Google My Business profile, right? So you guys have a Google Business profile right here. This keyword that I searched in, best food in Forest Lake, Minnesota. When I search it, first thing that pops up, you guys. Awesome job. Well done on that. You guys have 545 reviews. Famous Dave's is above you. Don Julio is above you. So I definitely recommend getting up your reviews on this Google Business profile, as well as your Facebook. Reviews are huge. Offer people an incentive, a $5 off their next visit if they leave a review on your page. Take a picture of it, something like that, right? But so we can kind of compare all of your guys' locations And I noticed you pop up for most of them, except for I noticed Bloomington right here. When we search best food in Bloomington, Minnesota, you guys are not at the top. And as you guys know, Bloomington's a huge area. It's a big competition. So we got to really figure out how do we really boom in a busy environment like this. It's full of the mall. It's got all these massive businesses that are incorporated into the mall, stuff like that, right? Again, getting those reviews up. We can need to put citations and optimize your Google business profile to really get that ranking to the top. And then you guys will get that Bloomington location booming like crazy. You guys are also not in the organic section on the first page with the Bloomington search keyword. I couldn't find it in the first 2 pages of it, honestly. So definitely need to work on your guys' Bloomington kind of keywords and SEO with that aspect. But comparing to the top food guru in Bloomington, Minnesota right now is Hazelwood Food and Drink. They are the #1 restaurant that's coming up that is competing against you guys. And like I said, we want to look at that main number right here. This is what they're doing for organic traffic to their website every single month. Darn near 17,000 traffic to their site. Look what you guys are getting. 4, just under 4. They are 4 times greater chances at getting customers than you guys are right now. So definitely need to work on your guys' SEO. We need to go in and figure out all of the backlinks, all of the keywords that they're using, figure out what's working for them in Bloomington, and integrate that into your guys' website, into your Google business profile, into your social media. There's all kinds of things that we can do that you guys are still missing out on. I have a few other tips and tricks up my sleeve that we can really get you guys rolling with, but I can't give away too much information without sharing, my business strategy, my business plan. But regardless, I still wanted to help you guys out. So with that being said, everybody over at Mallards Restaurant and Lounge. Again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing, located in Richmond, Wisconsin. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to reach back out if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you, and have a great day.